Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Bless Myself Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance No Parking on the Dance Floor. The song is No Parking on the Dance Floor. The artist is Midnight Star, and the choreography is Chiffon Green. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. No parking on the dance floor. That's a throwback, guys.
Excuse me, ma'am. You're standing still in a no parking zone. You don't get a move on that body, I'll be forced to give you a ticket. So
And there you go, guys. No parking on the dance floor. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.